BTCS had a nice little pop there on Friday.
If it can consolidate above maybe that 750 and just stay above that 750 level, it may be okay. First new one that I added to the list was BTCS.
I'm actually already swinging BTCS. I've got, I think, 30 shares.
Looking for another red day to see where the support is on it, but it looks good. I mean, take a little share size and swing it and see if it'll bounce up.
Looks like that body might have closed over. Yeah, it did. Top of that body closed over the body of that one.
That looks good. I would like to see what it's gonna do on Monday.
Yeah.
Just to watch it real hard because it could definitely take off again.
Oh yeah, it's on my list.
One that I put up was which is one that we've seen multiple times, but it's setting up for what looks like another pop, which is APOP.
All it's got to do is break 7. To me, that's what it looks like. Break a 7.
And it's done this multiple times, just giving so much profit, but you got to be in because it's so quick.
You don't get a lot of daily rips. It usually sells off, but when it gaps up, man, it goes pretty high.
And when you look at these green days that it's having, let's say if it does consolidate, go to the bottom of a green bar, any green bar. Bottom 572, go to the top of it, 615. Yeah. So that's a nice little 20 cent run in one green bar. Wait, that's more than 20 cents, 30, 40 cents.
I added this one, SACH, it's like Sachem Capital, but had a pop up there on Thursday to 540, and it's got this little flat top. And one of the reasons why I like this, because it's paying out a 12-cent dividend, been paying it out all year, been on a nice uptrend all year.
The other one that I picked up was ISIG. The setup here is just too good. I just couldn't overlook this setup. So it tested off the 200 moving average with that long spike down. It fought back up above the $8. It had 2 days to hold it up. It's held it up a couple of times, kind of faked down like it was going to get going down, and now it's blasting back up there to the 850. So I was looking at this one for a little bit of maybe a break or at least a test of the 9. May not break it. It has news. They had a net loss in the recent news, but in their Q2 they did have a kind of like an uptick in their overall revenue. So I was like, okay, this one isn't bad. It isn't horrible, but it's a stupid low float. I'm probably gonna swing this one small. I'm gonna look for a position on Monday, see what kind of movement it wants to give, and just swing it small, since it can be so volatile.
Yeah.
Because it can easily reach up there and touch that $12.
Yeah. I mean, seriously, if it gets any volume, it could. It's CLWT. We probably should get another test of 4 here soon, I would imagine, this week. Back
when we were looking at it at first, when it came down to this trend line, I was like, all right, it needs to hold at 350. And we're seeing it hold the 350. So you can play it off the 350 and just let the 350 be a risk. And if it snaps down through there after all that testing, hey, you'll just be out and you'll risk 2 cents?
Yeah.
So, low risk versus high reward, or low risk with high reward is what we're looking for.
Exactly.